क्या पढ़ाया गया था हमको? प्लीज रिपीट विथ मी। लाल देखा तो, लाल देखा तो, पीला देखा तो, पीला देखा तो लुक, पीला देखा तो, हरा देखा तो, हरा देखा तो, पूरा रिपीट करो, हरा देखा तो, हरा देखा तो, गो। दिस वाज टोल्ड टू अस व्हेन यू 6 ईयर ओल्ड, बट आज की डेट में ना हम रुक रहे हैं, ना हम देख रहे हैं, बस हम चले जा रहे हैं। कहां जा रहे हैं? Nobody knows. क्यों जा रहे हैं? Nobody knows. I also didn't knew in 2016 when I was sitting there. Right? This is a growth timeline. I want everyone to, take just 30 seconds to digest this. This is a growth timeline. It will not be a theoretical presentation. I will give you practical examples how to be a successful corporate. पढ़ाई, study, concepts you will get in classes, but this is not. You will not get in class. Simple growth timeline. Start with digging a hole, then seeds 1 day, water 5-10 days, sunlight 6-8 hours, seeding, poses sapling, पौधा लगता है, then it goes to tree, 3 years minimum, then fruit 5 years, right? It's not a single day process or not a process of 1 month, 2 months. हमारे को रिजल्ट फास्ट चाहिए. Everybody sitting here पैसा चाहिए सर, right? Day 1 पे हाईएस्ट पैकेज बालाजी, right? Right? उसके लिए क्या किया? What you did for that is more important, right? This is the process. Everybody is with me or not? Agree or angry? Agree? Great. You are not born to be average. You are born to be exceptional. Not written by me, by some good leader. Right? Unleash your MBA potential, the success formula. MBA the launchpad of to your greatest version. खुद का best. Myself best. You didn't came this far just to came this far. इतना दूर सिर्फ इसलिए नहीं आए थे कि यहीं तक आना था, right? We also want to go beyond that. आगे जाना है, correct? Welcome to the journey. You are not just getting a degree. You are stepping into a transformational journey. What? Transformational journey. It's a very, very important word. Please keep this thing in your mind. It will change your life. It has changed my life. It changed life of many. I'll take my example because I'm standing here today. It will change your life. You have to be very much practical and careful about it. It is a transformational journey. You should see my video on YouTube which talks about Hindi medium से पढ़े तो कुछ नहीं होगा, जिद होनी चाहिए, right? It's not about language, how you communicate. It's about the intent. It's about your capability to convince person sitting and standing in front of you, right? Why MBA? Why did you choose MBA? Few of you already answered. I will not repeat it again. Connect MBA with dreams, leadership, entrepreneurship, growth, right? Dreams can be of anything, any professional nature of excellence, obviously money, right? To be known in the market, so the people will come and introduce you. Write your why and revisit it often. This is to yourself. Why लिखने का, उसको देखने का, right? If you see it often, you will get the answer. Whatever you are seeing in my slide today, it's very deep. You have to go to your home, digest it, and then think about it. It will definitely change your life. This is not a pre-college anymore, right? कि BSc कर ली तो MBA करके आगे बढ़ जाएंगे, BTech कर लिया MBA करके आगे बढ़ जाएंगे, BCom कर लिया आगे बढ़ जाएंगे, MBA कर लेंगे. अभी इसके बाद क्या? What next after MBA if not a good job, if not a reputed job, if not a successful career? Real world is devil, I'm telling you. Real world expectation begins now. Right? You have to be up to the mark. Success is equal to attitude plus effort plus value creation. जब तक आप सामने वाले के लिए वैल्यू नहीं बना रहे हो, nobody bothers who are you or who you are. Right? यू हैव टू बी सेल्स पर्सन थ्रू आउट योर लाइफ। सब कुछ बेचना है हमेशा, और इस तरीके से बेचना है कि सामने वाले को लगे कि यू आर द बेस्ट, यू आर द बेस्ट सेलर। यू आर थिंकिंग अबाउट द पर्सन सिटिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू, नॉट अबाउट योर सेल्फ, राइट? Success, attitude plus effort plus value creation. Focus on a skill. There's a new jargon in Gen Z generation which talks about skill is the new oil in the market. Skill is the new oil in the market. If you are having that oil, you can reach to any level, irrespective of your background, education, college. You can reach anywhere if you have skills. Keep working on that. Communication, right? कम्युनिकेशन ऐसा नहीं है कि इंग्लिश बोलना आना चाहिए, हिंदी भी चलेगा, इंग्लिश भी चलेगा, तमिल तेलुगु भी चलेगा, बट यू शुड बी एबल टू कम्युनिकेट इट बेटर टू द पर्सन, राइट? आप बात करोगे इंसान से, जब सुन रहा है आपकी बात, इंसान समझ रहा है आपको, ही इज लिसनिंग यू, अंडरस्टैंडिंग यू, राइट? तो कम्युनिकेशन इज टू कम्युनिकेट एंड कनेक्ट विद पीपल, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। आई विल गो डीप इनटू दिस। Networking, again a new jargon. Network is equal to your net worth today. How many people know you? Right? 2018 batch when I passed out, 54 class was there. 54 HR in 54 companies. Right? Marketing 500 odd batch, 500 people working in different companies. Such a big network. Right? Among yourself only. Talk to people. Focus on skills, communication, networking, and critical thinking. Think critically, right? Don't just think on the merit. एक line लिखी है, हमने पढ़ लिया सही तरीके से उसको. That will not work. You have to think critically. Time is your currency. Spend it wisely. अगर पैसा खर्च करने के लिए पैसा लगता, तो anybody imagine कोई time waste करता? Nobody will waste time. अगर इसके लिए पैसे लगते तो. You become what you do daily. Daily habits will make your day and life better. Use planner, stay connected, consistent. I will go deep in this. Read, build skills, case studies. Read LinkedIn also. Self-discipline. Balaji stand on 3+. Discipline, dedication, and determination. I still remember every EDC used to talk about these 3 words. I don't remember if she said this today also. Discipline, dedication, determination. Discipline is the most important word, and self discipline is even more important, right? दुनिया disciplined है, मैं बाहर अच्छे से काम करता हूँ दिखाने के लिए, it's one point, and how I am myself, that is one important thing, right? Very important कि मैं self disciplined हूँ या नहीं हूँ, correct? Discipline create consistent success, right? Routine versus random burst. रूटीन में चीजें होनी चाहिए, लाइक रैंडम बस, कभी भी बरस गए बादल, वो हमेशा डिस्ट्रक्शन करके ही जाएंगे, राइट? एनी टाइम रेन विल डिस्ट्रॉय एवरीथिंग विदाउट अ रीजन. तो ऑलवेज क्रिएट अ रूटीन. जब तक तुम खुद पे काम नहीं करोगे, नोबडी कैन वर्क विद यू और वर्क फॉर यू. इवन बालाजी कांट, राइट? यू हैव टू वर्क ऑन योरसेल्फ along with the college, then college will take you to places. Network is net worth, and B is equal to people plus learning. You have to talk to people. Come out of your ego, attitude, your background. कोई IIT से आया होगा, NIT से आया होगा, right? कोई के 90% मार्क्स होंगे, किसी ने कॉलेज टॉप किया होगा. It's all stand with zero here. All are zero. मैं भी zero ही था. मेरे साथ काफी सारे टॉपर्स थे कहीं की जगह के, मेरे से बढ़िया इंग्लिश बोलते थे, right? And many of them send CV to me on LinkedIn today. Right? There's a difference. Come out of your ego, please. Talk to people, build meaningful connections, peers, professors, alumni, right? Today also, there are times which I forget, but definitely I remember my teachers who have impacted my life, right? I personally send them messages on Teachers Day or whatever special days. I keep remembering them, right? Build meaningful connections, peers, professors, alumni. Always talk to people which are senior to you. This is my personal learning in life. I had hardly any friend in my batch only. I usually talk to my seniors only, because the moment you talk to your seniors, the moment you talk to your people who are elder to you, having experience more than you, they will give you the life experience. You will be earheads in terms of experience if you talk to those experienced people. One strong connection every week. Take this target. Right? Such a big batch, so smart people, with tie, white shirts, gentle ladies also. Talk to one person every day, which should not be common every day, right? Different people, different lifestyles, different mindset. Make connections. Fail fast, learn faster. Failure is a tuition fee you pay for success. जितना जल्दी फेल हो जाओगे ना, उतना जल्दी आगे बढ़ जाओगे, राइट? मेरे को इंग्लिश नहीं आती थी, राइट? तो मेरे को मानता था मेरा लिमिटेशन क्या है. व्हाट इज माय लिमिटेशन? वेयर आई हैव टू वर्क, राइट? I have to be stronger in other terms, otherwise they will be left behind the running world. Learn from failure like Musk, Indian entrepreneurs, right? Many videos on YouTube you can see. Take calculated risk, right? I took a risk not to set in any company till 16 December 2017 when Vedanta came, right? I still remember Vikas sir calling me in cabin and shouting at me, what if not Vedanta? Vedanta नहीं होगी तो क्या करेगा? But I didn't have plan B. कोई प्लान भी था ही नहीं मेरे पास, तो वेदांता ही था मेरे लिए, राइट? टेक कैलकुलेटेड रिस्क, build your personal brand, right? People should identify you by your name. In my company Vedanta, people know me as a HR who is working marketing, right? As a HR who is a HR professional, 3,000 crore का धंधा चला रहा है, right? We have automated $8 billion metal business today in e-commerce. I'm HR professional, right? Build your identity. That will take you to places. Use LinkedIn, other social media, share your learning and build visibility. Be visible in the market. अगर देखोगे तो बिकोगे. I mean, you will have your value in the market. People will definitely take you. Right? एक एग्जांपल देता हूँ. नाइक फैक्ट्री में 1964 ने एक इनिशिएटिव लिया, रेटोकेशन इनिशिएटिव. दे सेंट 2 सेल्स टीम टू यूएस मार्केट फाइंडिंग आउट व्हाट इज द मार्केट फॉर शूज देयर. शूज का क्या मार्केट है वहां पर, राइट? 2 टीम्स वेंट, ए टीम, टीम बी. बोथ टीम वेंट, डिड अ डिटेल इंस्पेक्शन देयर, काफी सारा काम करके वहां पे लौट के आए. दोनों टीम का डिफरेंट डिटेल प्रेजेंटेशन हुआ बाद में, राइट? टीम ए केम टू द मैनेजमेंट एंड सेड कि सर यूएस के ओहायो में नोबडी वियर्स शूज टुडे. कोई पहनता ही नहीं शूज, तो मार्केट है ही नहीं वहां पे, क्या करेंगे हम? तो बिजनेस आइडियाज फ्लॉप, राइट? टीम बी केम हु सेड सर यूएस के ओहायो में कोई जूते पहनता ही नहीं है, 100% अपॉर्चुनिटी, वी विल डेफिनेटली डू द बिजनेस देयर एंड वी विल गेट मनी आउट ऑफ इट, राइट? माइंडसेट, करेक्ट? Resilience, your real MBA degree, right? Power to come out of odds. It won't be smooth. काफी ज्यादा डिस्करेजमेंट रहेगी, बैचमेट्स प्लेस होने लगेगा कि भाई दुनिया ब्लर हो रही है, कंपनीज आर डिमिनिशिंग लाइक फाइन वाइन, दे आर गोइंग लाइक दिस. इट विल नॉट ऑलवेज बी स्मूथ. प्रोजेक्ट, पीयर प्रेशर, प्लेसमेंट स्ट्रेस, द बिगेस्ट स्ट्रेस ऑफ MBA. Embrace it, right? Practice gratitude with bounce back mindset, right? एक नहीं हुआ दूसरा हो जाएगा, दूसरा नहीं हुआ तीसरा हो जाएगा. But prepare yourself that way that it will be difficult for recruiter to reject you. They will take 1,000 times to think about यार इसको रिजेक्ट करना ही नहीं करना, क्या नुकसान तो नहीं हो जाएगा मेरा, right? The moment you make recruiter feel like this, you have definitely done your job, right? Visualize your 2 years future. यहां से 2 साल बाद कहां होंगे? Be the opportunity. The world needs your leadership ideas and impact, right? People are hungry for ideas. If you have good idea, you can go anywhere, right? It will need only one fine day where you will have interaction with someone who is so big in terms of money, so big in terms of power. The moment you are able to transfer one of the idea, your life is set, right? It happened with me, I'll tell you later. Learn, unlearn and relearn, right? The corporate world rewards adaptability. Change fast. मेरे को ये आता है, मेरा इसमें बेस्ट हूं, मेरा कम्युनिकेशन बहुत टॉप क्लास है, मेरे को टेक्निकल नॉलेज की जरूरत नहीं है, राइट? माइंडसेट. द बिगेस्ट डिफिकल्टी इन एमबीए इज टू अनलर्न. मेरे को जो आता है अच्छी बात है, you may be relevant, you may not be relevant, but you have to be in a position of unlearning things so that you can learn something new, right? Learn to empty your cup so you can refill it fast. Keep evolving. Change is to be so fast, better than the market, right? अगर let's say ये bottle है, if I hold this for 1 minute, it's very easy, right? If I hold it for an hour, थोड़ा दर्द होगा, स्ट्रेच आएगा, right? 5 hours, हो सकता है bottle will feel like a big tank in my hand. 24 घंटे बाद it will feel like a mountain, right? भाई पहाड़ पकड़ लिया मैंने, नहीं पकड़ सकता उसको, ऐसा गिरने लगेगा, right? That is about the wrong facts we know about ourselves. मेरे को आता है, I know this. The moment you hold this my ego for a long time, it will be very difficult to survive. Right? Try to unhold this, empty the cup, try to refill it again with the greater knowledge and the relevant knowledge. Mindset is the game. Growth begins in the mind. बहुत basic presentation है मेरा. Growth begins in mind, right? Mindset have to be clear. Winner don't do things differently, they do things differently, right? MBA is not just a course, it's a mindset transformation. Mindset played a very, very good role in transformation journey of myself. I'll just give an example again. 1922, there is a psychological experiment done in US, where a person was given a death sentence. फांसी की सजा सुनाएगी उसको, right? And 16 अगस्त 1922 को उसको फांसी की सजा दी जानी थी, right? Psychological department of US contacted these jail people and the complete authority, police department and the court, that we want to do one psychological experiment with that person who is already given a death sentence. एक experiment करना है उसके साथ में, कर सकते हैं क्या? तो court said to those people, please talk to the person जिसको फांसी की सजा होने वाली है. If he agrees, you will be able to do the experiment, right? Psychological team went to this person कि सर आपको फांसी की सजा होने वाली है. You are about to die on 16th August. Would you love to be the part of a psychological experiment which may change humanity, which may change lives? He agreed, right? Initially he said no, 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 no. Then team convinced him saying कि आप फांसी पे लटकोगे, it will be very painful. आपका पूरा spinal cord जाएगा, बहुत difficult होगा. हम एक काम करेंगे, on 16th August we'll come with a snake, king cobra. Simply आपको उससे कटवा देंगे. It will sting you and you will die in second. It will not be painful, right? He agreed. Person agreed, right? On 16th of August, he would wait, sit like this in a hall. आंख पे पट्टी बांध दिया उसके, हाथ बांध दिया उसके, right? Then a person from a distance came, walk like this, चलने का आवाज आ रहा था. He was able to hear कि कोई आ रहा है, right? He bring a snake with him. Snake पास में लेके आया इसके पास, और snake से इसको नहीं कटवाया. What they did, they used a pin to punch in his leg, on his leg. Pin से punch किया. He died in 4 seconds. Imagine, he died in 4 seconds. His body went for postmortem. It was checked how he died. He died with a massive heart attack. In 4 seconds he died. Mindset. It was not a snake. It was not the venom who took his life. It was a mindset who took his life. It's a real experiment, right? Snake काटने से उसकी जिंदगी नहीं गई. He thought कि मेरे को सांप ने काट लिया and I'm gonna die in 4 seconds. He died, right? That powerful this brain is. The real MBA, in my knowledge, only 3 pillars: time management, interpersonal skills, and managing self. The moment you marshal this art, you are already the winner among this 1,000 of batch, right? Disha and Dasha. Priority, right? You should set a priority. What is important for me today, right? A good amount of money has been spent by my parents to bring me here to do MBA. Priority क्या है मेरी? Good job. Visibility in the market. People should know my parents with my name. Disha, very important. Dasha, scheduling. How I schedule my day. How I schedule my month. How I schedule my week. Very important. You should have a charter with you. What you are doing every day. What you are doing every week, month or year. It will take you to places. Time management. Why it matters? Time is your most limited resource. सब कुछ बच जाएगा, टाइम खर्च हो जाएगा. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू एवरीवन. हाँ, पीछे बैठे सारे लोग जो भी आगे बैठे वो भी, टाइम खर्च हो जाएगा. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, यू कांट मैनेज योर टाइम, only your choices. By managing your choices you can manage your time, right? What is important for me today? High performers plan their day before it start, right? They wake up early, they make a charter कि क्या करने वाला हूं मैं आज पूरे दिन में. It function like this. Time spent well is a foundation of success, right? Very important slide. I follow this. You must follow this. This is out of experience I'm telling you. Use a planner. हमारे टाइम पे प्लानर इतने इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं थे, फोन नहीं मिलते क्लास में हमको. यूज टू हैव अ कैलेंडर प्लानर्स, राइट? नाउ यू हैव एवरीथिंग इन हैंड. यूज प्लानर, डिजिटल कैलेंडर्स, Google calendars or notions. Apply 80-20 rule. 80-20 rule, you might have heard about it. What is important to you, right? I will give an example. A team of IAMs and non-IAMs reports to me, right? I handle South region as a sales head. My most critical regions are Bangalore, Hyderabad and Chennai, right? I've kept all my IAMs in those regions to get most out of that area, right? 80% energy. Lying where? The highest potential. Correct? 80-20 rule. Mark your important things. Divide it. What is important, do it. What is not important, don't do it. Going to party or preparing a presentation, reading about my subject. Choice is yours. Avoid distraction. Social media fasting. Very important. I just got married 3 years back. We implemented this in our house also. After 8 p.m. we don't use phone, right? This will solve multiple problems with you. Very important. Shut off your internet. Think about yourself, what you're doing. The most important truth about life, you can't lie to yourself. हमको पता होता है अंदर से कि हम खुद से कितना झूठ बोल रहे हैं, right? मैं वहीं से आया हूँ. I know better. We know where we are wrong. शायद विकास सर को नहीं मालूम होगा, अच्छा मैम को नहीं मालूम होगा तुम कहाँ गलत हो. यू कैन ऑब्वियसली पुट द मास्क इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू, बट यू नो वेयर यू आर रॉन्ग, राइट? टाइम ब्लॉकिंग, प्रोडक्टिविटी बूस्टर. ऑलवेज ब्लॉक टाइम. ठीक है, मार्क योर टाइम in a way where you can define the time. I will do this in this time, I will do this in that time. Don't manage time, command it, right? You have to command time. Say no to non-essentials. जो जरूरत नहीं है उसको मना कर दो, राइट? साफ कहना सुखी रहना. एक कौन सा, आई रिमेंबर, किसी ड्रिंक का एक डायलॉग था जो कहता था कि सीधी बात नो बकवास, साफ मना कर दो, राइट? द फ्यूचर डिपेंड्स ऑन व्हाट यू डू टुडे, सेड बाय महात्मा गांधी. आज जो कर लोगे उससे ही तुम्हारा कुछ होगा. योर एमबीए इज ऑल्सो योर नेटवर्क बिल्डिंग लैब. लाइक आई सेड, 1000 लोग यहां से निकलने के बाद एटलीस्ट 500 लोग होंगे जो अनकॉमन कंपनीज में काम कर रहे होंगे. बिगेस्ट नेटवर्क है. टॉक टू पीपल. यू विल आफ्टर एमबीए यू विल हैव मल्टीपल नेस्ले, पार्ले, एग्रो, कैडबरी, वेदांता, टाटा स्टील, AMNS, JSW in your hand. Today, if I have any work in any company, I just need a one phone call. You name the company I have contact. You name any company I have contact. Any HR reference, any HR background check, any sales rep check, back check. I have my resources. That is the biggest learning of my life, right? Please use this lab better. Good communication, right? It's a career rocket fuel. Communicate it properly. यार नहीं बोलना आता बात कर. Talk it and check it out. Please talk. बात करो, communicate. English नहीं आता, हिंदी में बात करो. Communicate, right? In a board meeting, where owner is a baniya or a lala, right? He doesn't need good communication in English. He need a good logic. Are you able to do it? Are you able to convince him? If yes, you are sitting there in next 2 days, right? I had a 1.5 minute introduction with Mr. Anil Agarwal, who is chairman for Vedanta Resources. He has changed my life from HR to such a fantastic role. Currently, HR is a good role, obviously, but he changed my journey from, somewhere else to somewhere else. Today, marketing MBA from IIM Bangalore, IIM Ahmedabad reports to me. I am not marketing MBA, right? That good communication of 1.5 minute changed my life. Everybody knows in my company, knows me in my company today, right? Listening is as powerful as speaking. That there are times you have to be silent, right? Listen itself, if you jumble it, it becomes silent. You have to be silent at multiple places, right? When faculties are talking, when people are talking, the ज्ञान 3 Idiots movie ज्ञान मिल रहा है, ले लो. Don't abstain yourself by taking ज्ञान, ना. Listen silently. Silent होगे तो सुन पाओगे, नहीं silent होगे तो नहीं सुन पाओगे, right? Respect, empathy, and collaboration. Soft skill success, right? When I initially joined MBA HR in my class, I didn't have that good fantastic communication, right? तो जो मेरा project presentation batch होता था, it was among those guys who were scrap in nature. Let's say 8 लोगों का ग्रुप बना तो 8 बच गए. लास्ट में जो 8 बचे वो मेरा ग्रुप था, right? On the first presentation we scored highest marks. And second presentation people are coming to me, Gaurav, we want to be in your group. But I never left my scrap group. That was my fantastic group, and we traveled better. We got highest marks in presentation, project presentations everywhere, right? And all of them are doing very well today. Respect, empathy, and collaboration, right? Empathy, you have to be empathetic. Learn to give and receive feedback, right? It's not always about giving feedback, it's receiving feedback also. It's a question mark to you. My presentation is nowhere a global gyan, it's a question mark to you, right? Learn to give and receive feedback. Be present, don't multitask in conversation, right? किसी से बात कर रहे हो आप, talk to that person, talk to his eyes, not talk to multiple people at the same time. Emotional intelligence should be greater than IQ in leadership, right? Participate in clubs, debates, group task activity, right? Don't keep yourself aloof. मैं नहीं participate करूँगा, मुझे बहुत कुछ आता है. I will not participate. It will not help. People don't follow titles, they follow trust. Listen to understand, not to reply. कई लोगों में होता है यार, सिर्फ जवाब देने के लिए सुनते हैं, सुनने के लिए नहीं सुनते हैं, right? Listen to understand. Empathy should be greater than ego. I already told. Communicate clearly, respectfully. Appreciate publicly, correct privately. किसी को डांटना है, लड़ाई करना है, फैकल्टी से कुछ डिसएग्रीमेंट है, पीयर से कोई डिसएग्रीमेंट है, talk to them separately, right? Teamwork isn't all about being the best, it's about making others best. Always try to make your team win. You will already be the winner. Your network is your net worth, already told. Self-awareness is the first step to personal mastery, right? खुद को मुझे क्या आता है, क्या नहीं आता है. If I know this, I can do wonders. Define your values, strength and weakness, right? It is a task to yourself. Set daily micro goals to stay aligned. Micro goals, बहुत बड़ा काम नहीं करना है. Small goals will make you to places. Be your own biggest supporter. Again, I think a past presentation will also talk about it. Be your own biggest supporter or biggest cheerleader. Build habits that support your long-term vision. It's not about 2 years. It's about multiple 10 years, right? Journaling, meditation, gratitude. Journaling is again one of the big game changer in my life, where I used to write things, right? I used to use 2 pens, one blue, one red. I used to write my daily tasks with blue pen and cut it red after I complete it. Second day, there were few left out tasks which I used to again rewrite and complete and cut it with red. Right? The day you start journaling, it will change your life. तो जो हम हाथ से लिख लेते हैं ना, वो हमको हमेशा याद रहता है. ठीक है, फोन पे टाइप करके नोट, डिजिटल नोट्स बना लिए, गूगल नोट्स बना लिए, आईफोन पे आईपैड पे नोट्स बना लिए. इट्स ओके, बट ऑर्थोडॉक्स वेज ऑफ डूइंग थिंग्स will be in your mind forever. Growth mindset, view challenges as opportunities. Like Bala sir always says, problems are opportunity. That will define your courage. That will define the next you. Discipline beat motivation every single time. If you're disciplined, you can beat motivation every single time. Morning habit shapes your future. Try to wake up early in the morning. Reflect daily. Wins, failure, learnings. Build mental strength like muscles. I think many of you people must be going to gym to create muscles, right? So this is the most important muscle, brain. Train it every day. Journal to declutter your brain or mind. Always ask, I am reacting or responding. There's the biggest difference between reacting and responding. You should always keep this thing in mind. The most powerful project you will ever work is on you. Again, a beautiful story. I will iterate in few seconds. One day what happened? One teacher gave 8 ropes to a student, said कि जाओ and tie these 9 horses. Right? The student went away. सारे 9 घोड़ों को लेके गया. He used all his 8 ropes and tied those horses at the places. But गुरुजी ने ये नहीं बताया कि घोड़े तो 9 है और रस्सियां सिर्फ 8 दी, एक तो नहीं दी. तो he went away to Guruji again, said, गुरुजी आपने एक रस्सी कम दी है, how I can tie 9 horses with 8 ropes? गुरुजी said to him कि जाओ, जैसा तुमने बाकी घोड़ों को बांधा है, ऐसे हाथ में गले में उसके रस्सी डाल के टाई करके जगह पे बांध दिया, वैसे ही करके उसको सिर्फ एक्टिंग करने का है, रस्सी यूज नहीं करने का, करके आओ. बोलो गुरुजी घोड़ा भाग जाएगा. अरे नहीं भागेगा, जाओ करके आओ. He went and did the same thing, tied 9 horses. Right? Morning when he came, after the night, only 1 horse was standing there. Right? He went away to Guruji and said कि गुरुजी वो एक घोड़ा वहां खड़ा है, वो तो चल ही नहीं रहा है वहां से. तो बोला, have you untied him? He said no. बोला तो बना ही नहीं है वो, तो उसको तो रस्सी है ही नहीं यहाँ पे. बोला man please go, he's tied in your mindset. खोल के आओ उसको वहां पे. When he went there, रस्सी निकाला, उसके बाद वो घोड़ा चल के कहां से गया? Mindset, right? He was tied with his mindset, not by a rope. Correct? This is very powerful, guys. Use it wisely. Golden rule to be successful in corporate. My life journey. It will take you to 2 places. Good communication. Again, I repeat, good communication. Write it down in papers. I'll request everyone. That will change your life. Good communication in English, Hindi, or whatever language. You should be able to put your things very clearly in front of a person standing in front of you. Right? अपनी बात ठीक से रख पा रहे हो. Very important. Good communicate. Decent analytical skill. थोड़ा ज्ञानबाजी आनी चाहिए, मतलब कैसे चीजें मूव कर रही हैं. Basic understanding. It doesn't need you to be 99% marks in mathematics or basic analytical skills. Good MS Excel I have written here. I will say excellent MS Excel skills. Right? Many of you must be attending Vivek Marathe sir's class. Right? Those classes will be boring, but it will be the most useful classes. You will once you reach a corporate, you find out the most useful skill you should know. MS Excel. सारे बड़े धंधे हजारों करोड़ बिलियन डॉलर्स के एक्सेल पे हो रहे हैं. राइट? कितना भी अच्छा मैथमेटिक्स आता है, कितना भी अच्छा कैलकुलस आता है, कितना भी अच्छा एनालिटिकल स्किल है, एक्सेल नहीं आता है, यू आर जीरो. हैव टू बी एक्सीलेंट इन एक्सेल. राइट? एक्सेल से ग्राफ बनता है, प्रेजेंटेशन बनता है, एवरीथिंग यू कैन क्रिएट फ्रॉम एक्सेल. इंप्रूव योर स्किल, मास्टर दिस स्किल. दिस विल बी द बिगेस्ट फ्यूल टू योर कॉर्पोरेट जर्नी. क्लासेस में कॉन्सेप्ट पढ़ाए जाएंगे, ऑब्वियसली बालाजी फेमस फॉर कॉन्सेप्ट, विल लीड द कॉन्सेप्ट, बट एडिशनल स्किल, प्रेजेंटेबल, एड्रेस हाउ यू वांट टू बी एड्रेस्ड. मैंने पीछे लोगों को बोला कि 2 लोग टाई बांध के नहीं आए. राइट? मैं भी पहले टाई नहीं बांधता था, बोलता यार क्या जरूरत है, मतलब क्यों पहनना टाई, व्हाई टू वेयर दिस टाई. इनिशियली आई शुड फील कि क्यों करना है. राइट? द मोमेंट you collect yourself in a way where people should start looking up to you. यार ये बंदा क्या कैरी करता है अपने आप को, मार्केटिंग में डाल दो, उसको सेल्स में डाल दो, जाके हजारों करोड़ की डील कर रहा है. कैसे? Because he is able to present himself in front of people. The average of age of people I deal today is minimum 50 years. Average age. I am in my early 30s, right? So dress how you want to be addressed. Very important. This will be taught in Balaji like anything. Don't take it lightly. Dress yourself as people should look up to you. यार क्या gentleman आया है निकल के. Basic maths, ठीक है? Plus minus multiplication. Basic maths 1000 होगा, 2000 का, 5000 का. Basic जो concept होता है. Aptitude, basic, and no fakeness, right? अच्छे कॉर्पोरेट में फेकनेस नहीं चलती है, एक्सेंट नहीं चलता है, राइट? मेरे को ये आता है, आई एम मास्टर. सर व्हेन यू आर ऑन रोल, फेकनेस वोंट वर्क. इट इज द एबिलिटी, योर एजिलिटी, योर कैपेबिलिटी टू चेंज विल टेक यू टू प्लेसेस, नॉट द फेकनेस. डोंट फेक. इंटरव्यू में आउट हो जाओगे आप. वट एवर यू नो, टेल देम कि आई नो दिस, आई डोंट नो दिस. वेरी क्लियर. Conceptually, Vedanta when came to this campus on 16 December 2017, I clearly remember, they asked me almost rapid fire. Vedanta won't never take male candidates, record. I am the record only one male candidate in Vedanta from Balaji. They never take male people. So rapid fire round, minimum 24 to 25 questions. I clearly answered 21 and 3-4 में जवाब नहीं दे पाया. Where I clearly said no कि मुझे नहीं मालूम है. I literally don't know these things. The recruiter loved this thing. यार इसको मालूम है, इसको क्या मालूम है, क्या नहीं मालूम है. Don't try to fool around people. हाँ, मेरे को ये आता है, ये आता है, ये आता है, right? Stick to genuineness. If you are genuine, trust me, I'm telling you, I'm a very common. Gwalior, MP, Madhya Pradesh, basic school. Now. Currently, in my 8-year career, I have met all the big investors. I met Rakesh Jhunjhunwala in person. I met Vijay Kedia in person. I met Radhakishan Damani in person. I met Anil Agarwal, Navini Agarwal, Hitesh Meshwani from Reliance. He's the biggest name in the market, whose CTC must be more than 20 times of me. Right? I met these people in person just because of small these capabilities and with zero fakeness. राइट? जो आता है बता दो, जो नहीं आता है मत बताओ. सिंपल है. Always remember the key which locks can also open, right? Choose happy people around you. You are the average of 5 people around you. कितनी बार ये I think YouTube, Instagram reel और concept reel हम देखे होगी. You are the average of 5 people around you, man. Choose your people wisely. ठीक है? Friends बनाने हैं. Always have friends who are greater in intellectual level, right? That's what I said. Make your senior friends. Senior होगा, उसको 2 साल का ज़्यादा experience होगा. He will be more fruitful to you rather than having friend in circle, right? मैं बहुत I think little different, right? Always make friend. You are the average of 5 people around you. Keep your spinal cord straight. जब भी बैठते हो उसे straight बैठो. झुक के नहीं बैठने का है, right? झुक के बैठ गए आधी नहीं खत्म. ऐसे लीन करके बैठ गए भाई नहीं होगा कुछ. Right? I'm pointing out people. Great. Choose happy people, positive people around you, right? Keep smiling. See Vikas sir. Whenever he comes first, he's very smile. He's the person I never seen him without a smile. When you see him, eye contact, he'll smile. That will charge yourself and charge the people around you. The total environment will change, right? Whenever I am in a tough meeting, I first smile and then start my meeting. It naturally goes in a positive direction, right? Read good books, be with good people. Good means good by intent, good by content, not good by face, looks, the way they dress themselves. By good content and good intent, very important, right? Read good books, be with good people. अच्छा इंसान कौन है जिसका स्विच ऑन है, right? Don't be with sad people यार. यार ये हो ही नहीं है यार, प्लेसमेंट हो ही नहीं पाएगा. अरे हमको क्या मिलेगा, बालाजी नहीं करा पाएगा, हम नहीं कर पाएंगे. No man, be a differentiator, be with good people who will help you keeping a switch on, right? Thanks a lot.